Hello, my wonderful learners. You're welcome once again to another episode of our virtual lesson on mathematics. And you are still on data. You are still on what? Data. And we are talking about collection, organization, and then interpretation of data. The interpretation of data. What are we learning to? We are learning to identify some examples of second-hand data. We are learning to identify some examples of what? Second-hand data. Okay? Of second-hand data. So, previously we learned about what? First-hand data. You said first-hand data is a data being collected by you yourself. Okay? And we also talk about second-hand data, but we don't know any example of it. So we want to now talk about first-hand data. So, what's second-hand data? So second-hand data is a data that has been collected and organized by someone else or somebody else. So a data being collected by someone or somebody else is second-hand data. Is second-hand data. So we just want to talk about an example, one example, and then we move on. We want to talk about one example of second-hand data. When you hear the word second-hand data, it's a data not collected by you. So data collected by someone, so it becomes secondary data. So maybe data in the magazine, information from the media, information from the graphic, and other information from any other textbooks, okay, becomes what? Second-hand data. Information, any information at all, any data, any information that says, okay, use this data to do this, use data to maybe draw a graph, then that becomes what? Second-hand data, because that data is not what? Collected by you. It's not being collected by you. So all those data become what? Second-hand data. So let's take one example here. Example of second-hand data in media. In what? Media. The diagram below shows the population distribution of Ghana in 2011. So this is the diagram. This diagram can be a pie chart. Okay? Can be a pie chart. But you don't know pie charts. Data you know them. You know pie chart is any maybe round circle that being constructed. Okay? When you construct a round circle like this and you divide them into sectors, then that's what pie chart. Okay? That's pie chart. So these are the information we have here about what? Regions. And it's about the population that was distributed in the year 2011 in Ghana. Okay? So look at the data. Is it from here? Let's start from here. Ashanti region, we have 29.3. Okay? This Greater Accra, we have 20.2%. Eastern region, we have 15.5. Western region, we have 9.6. Then Central region, we have 10.3. And we have Upper East region, which is 4.2, and Upper West, which is 2.8. And this, I can ask you a lot of many questions, okay? I can ask you many questions based on this. I can ask you many questions. Even yourself, you can start asking yourself questions on this. So this information is second hand because this is from the media. Some media that you were not even there, you don't know how it was, but the person brought the information. And now you are going to interpret this information. Okay, you are going to interpret this information based on the question you'll be asked. You'll be asked. So from the diagram or like a pie chart, answer the following question. I told you this can be a pie chart, okay, because it's a circle that is being divided into sectors. So when a circle is being divided into sectors, we call it pie chart. Okay, as we have bar graph, block graph, and then stem and leaf plot, this is also a pie chart. Information is being distributed in the pie chart form. Okay, and the question, one of the questions is which region had the highest percentage share of population in Ghana in 2011? In Ghana in 2011. So which population? Look at the sectors, look at the distribution, and tell me the highest population using the percentage. Using the what? The percentage. So looking at this carefully, you realize that Ashanti region is having the what? The highest population. That is 29.3%. 29.3%. So this Ashanti region is having 29.3%. Okay. So we say that. So answering the question is Ashanti region with the percentage 29%. Okay. 29. So let's say it's Ashanti region. And the percentage is what? 29. Okay, because there's no space there, there's no space. That's what I'm writing here. 29.3%. Okay, so Ashanti region is having the what? The highest percentage. It's what? The figure 29.3%. Okay. And I can also ask you which region, right, had the least percentage share of population? Which region had the least percentage share of the population? So look at the diagram again. Go to the diagram and look at it carefully. You will see the least figure. The population or the region with the least figure become the what? The least population, percentage share of what? The population. Okay, so look at it carefully. Look at this. You can see that this is 2.8. So which region is what? Upper West. Okay. Upper West region. With the percentage 2.8%. Okay. 2.8%. I can also ask you, what was the distribution of population in of the region of the Western region? I can also ask you what's the percentage of the distribution of the region Western or the Western region. You can also tell me what is 9.6%. 9.6%. So this becomes what? Second-hand data. Second-hand data. And also known as what? Secondary data. Also known as what? Secondary data. And this information is from the media. You can also get information from the magazine. You can also get similar information from maybe any daily graphic or maybe the other graphics, right? Any other graphic. So when you get information like that from somewhere which is not being collected by you, then you see that information or that data is second-hand data. It's second-hand data. And you can ask you different questions and you interpret them, that you answer them by what? Interpretation. Okay, so what have we said to bring the lesson to an end? What have we learned today? You have learned about what? Second-hand data. And you gave example on second-hand data. So study hard for me. We meet again. Goodbye.